I want to start off, I want to show you what I mean by 0 degree elevation. So the fact is we're working with a round head shape, correct? So a lot of people look at 0 degrees as being straight down on the head. When I do videos, I like to explain that if this is 90 degrees coming straight out of the head because of where the curve sits, then 0 degrees is going to be right here along the line. So here's 90 and here's 0. So if I were to hold this part of the hair, only this part, on this curve of the head here, this is actually 0 degrees. Even though it looks like I'm elevating the hair, I'm not actually elevating the hair, I'm keeping it at 0 degrees. Now, if I were to grab hair from further down on the head, how it curves down, and I grab a little bit of this hair and I hold it up to me, now I'm elevating the hair because 90 degrees is right here coming out of the head, and now I'm holding it at about 45 degrees, so 0 would be here. So I hope that answers your question. I know it sounds a little bit confusing, but if you understand that, you understand the shape of the head and how it moves, you're gonna have a way better success rate with haircutting because you're gonna know where to take out weight and where to leave it.